हे गाइस, गुड इवनिंग। नमस्ते आप सभी लोगों को। जस्ट इन case you're going to join in live today, we do have a few questions, and my wife as always has joined in first. Good evening. All right, good evening all of you wonderful people. आप सभी प्यारे प्यारे दर्शकों को मेरी तरफ से प्यार भरा नमस्ते। एंड आप लोगों को पता होगा टुडेज सेशन इज़ ऑल अबाउट फॉरगिविंग। आज का जो सेशन है वो इस वजह से है बिकॉज देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल हु फाइंड इट वेरी हार्ड टू फॉरगिव। वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट इट। आई डू नॉट सी एनीवन लाइव। आई सॉ माय वाइफ लाइव एंड देन oh, Sunaina has joined in. Sunaina, namaste. This is for the first time that I could be coming live before Sunaina. Namaste. It's good. Namaste, bachche. And yes, good evening, my love. All right. So today's session was requested by Kritika. अगर कृतिका ज्वाइन कर लेंगी तो बहुत अच्छा है. There are two questions. One question is coming from Dr. Sumati. शी हैड आस्क्ड मी ऑफलाइन. उन्होंने मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे बोला था कि मैं बाद में आकर आपका जो सेशन है वो देख लूँगी. एंड ऑफ कोर्स मैं ये बाकी सभी लोगों के लिए भी करूँगा जिनको ये जानना है कि फॉरगिविंग इतना हार्ड क्यों होता है. ओके, सो वी जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर अ फ्यू पीपल. योर लाइव. ओके, इवन आई एम लाइव. माई वाइफ सेज आई एम लाइव. ओके, आई एम ऑल्सो लाइव. Okay, I'm alive. All right, so there are three things that we will be putting up before people who feel that forgiving is hard. We're just waiting for a few more people and then we can start the session. मैं कुछ ऐसी बातें भी करने वाला हूँ जो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. मैं ये बात भी करने वाला हूँ कि रिलेशनशिप के अंदर जब कंप्लेंट्स आती हैं तभी फॉरगिव करना इतना हार्ड क्यों हो जाता है. Why is it so hard for people to even think of forgiving people? Now it could be related to a relationship that they are in, or the normal consensual relationship that I normally come around with is husband and wife, or maybe boyfriend and girlfriend, and it could be the in-laws. वो भी हो सकता है. So that's the kind of relationship that we are talking about. I am alive, I meant. Okay, yes, even I am alive. All right, so let's go ahead and wait for a few more seconds because I am actually expecting a few more people, and if they are in we will talk about it. Or I'm out. I can't be much in your live video. Namaste Jiju. Please, if you have YouTube, please upload your session. It's okay, or else मैं आपका पोस्ट देख लूँगी for sure. Regards Juju and Happy New Year. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर दीदू. यस, हम दोनों की तरफ से भी आप सभी लोगों को नो वरीज. यस, आई विल अपलोड इट ऑन यूट्यूब. दैट वुड बी बेटर. ओके, लेट्स गो एंड स्टार्ट द सेशन बिकॉज इवन आई हैव टू फिनिश द सेशन एंड मूव ऑन. सो आज का जो सेशन है वो है फॉरगिवनेस के ऊपर. नाउ फॉरगिवनेस आता है कंप्लेनिंग से. व्हेन पीपल आर इनटू अ रिलेशनशिप एंड they feel that they have done something in a relationship and they feel that it is not compensated properly, they are unable to forgive. So forgiveness as it is not very hard. Forgiveness has got a problem that people, when they feel that mujhe compensated, I am not getting compensated for my feelings. People, when they feel that I am not being appreciated or not acknowledged for my feeling, at that point of time forgiveness becomes hard. And that happens when people have been in a long term relationship. Forgiveness कब प्रॉब्लम होता है? There are three main reasons of people finding it very hard to forgive. One of them is that when people feel that they are unacknowledged in a relationship. The second reason could be that they've been in a relationship but there is a lack of kindness in the relationship. When women find that husband आते हैं उनकी तरफ देखते भी नहीं हैं, बहुत साल हो गए हैं, and they have kids, at that point of time it is very hard for them to express any kind of forgiveness. The third reason is of course related to complaints. That happens between it could be between a boss and an employee, or maybe a subordinate and a superior person. So उस वजह से भी हो सकता है. Anyone who's facing Gudi Padwa to all. Thank you. Gudi Padwa to all. Yes, today is Gudi Padwa. All right, so it is just me and my wife, I suppose now. Everyone who said that they would be joining have not joined in, or maybe I don't see them. It is just Sunaina and my wife. No worries. I'll just go ahead and finish the session and then most probably Saurabh Sairam. Saurabh has joined in. Saurabh, namaste. Wave. I also need to wave him. ओके सौरभ, कैसे हो आप? हाउ यू डूइंग? केमोनाशी ट्विंकल हैज़ जॉइंड इन. ओके, थैंक यू. Okay, so I was talking about sent a request to be in your live video. We will do that very very soon, Twinkle. So I will be doing a live video with 3 of the other people now. We will be joined in from the next week. I would be doing sessions where I would be joined in by a lot many other people who actually wanted to come into the video live, and they wanted to go and put in a lot of inputs about it. So let's go ahead and start the session. I was talking about why forgiving is so hard. The drama mama Shelly Arora has joined. Okay, Shelly has joined in. That's very good. I normally give her examples. Shelly is someone whom I can always look up to. She is very inspiring. No, I'm also there. Lol, thank you. Tripte is there. Shelly is someone whom I have always been motivated by, inspired by. And one thing that I have seen about Shelly, this is something that I was asked continuously because I show her video to too many people. And one thing that has been asked too many times, that why is Shelly always so happy? And one thing that I always tell people is that I have never seen her complaining. She goes through a lot of stress, but she is never complained. Now she goes through work related stress, but then she never complains about it anyways. Low. Okay. नमस्ते नमस्ते, मैं आपके बारे में बात कर रहा था. ओके ओके, थैंक यू. ठीक है, चलिए चलते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो सबसे पहली चीज़ जो मैं बात करने वाला था, आप जब किसी रिलेशनशिप में रहते हैं तो वो रिलेशनशिप के अंदर देयर आर 3 रीजंस व्हेन अ पर्सन कैन नॉट फॉरगिव. One, if you have something that was left undone, when you have something which needed to be completed and it is not completed, anything that is incomplete, the other person will always have a problem forgiving the other person. Okay, so anything that remains incomplete will have problems forgiving. The second thing is, whenever a relationship or a work is not acknowledged, at that point of time people cannot forgive. And third reason is, of course, when you are in a relationship for a long time and your work goes unappreciated. So it is actually not related to forgiveness as it is, it's not a big emotion. People forgive all of the time. People forgive themselves, people forgive everyone else. So forgiveness as it is not a big emotion. अभी अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ that if I do something, or there are so many people and they say something to you, and if I say मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिए, and I have seen it too many times, when I say sorry to people, they come back and say, सर आपको sorry बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको sorry बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So it is the same people later on when I talk to them and they say that for me to forgive a specific person is very hard. So this is for everyone. First thing, this is for everyone. The first point is that forgiving as it is not a big deal. माफ़ हम लोग कभी ना कभी किसी ना किसी को करते ही हैं. वी फॉरगिव आइदर अवर पेरेंट्स, वी फॉरगिव अवर स्पाउसेस, वी फॉरगिव चिल्ड्रन, वी फॉरगिव सो मेनी पीपल. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू वन सिंगल पर्सन, जब हम एक खास इंसान की बात करते हैं जो हमसे जुड़ा हुआ है, तब फॉरगिवनेस के अंदर प्रॉब्लम आता है. और वो 3 कारणों की वजह से आता है. देयर आर 3 रीजंस. वन इज़ दैट समथिंग रिमेन्स इनकम्प्लीट. Second is, of course, your work is not appreciated, and third one is because it is unacknowledged. उसके लिए आप क्या करेंगे so that you can start forgiving people? सबसे पहली चीज़ है, when you are in love with a person, or when you are in a long term relationship with a person, or when you are staying with a person, और ये मैं भी नहीं बोल रहा, ये एक साइकोलॉजी है कि जब भी आप किसी इंसान के साथ 3 दिन से ज़्यादा रहते हैं. एडवोकेट ईशा हैज़ जॉइंड इन. ओके, नमस्ते. सो वेन एवर यू स्टार्ट स्टेइंग विद एनी अदर पर्सन फॉर मोर देन 3 days, यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग कनेक्टेड. एंड दिस इज़ नॉट वॉट आई सेड. गौतम बुद्ध हैं, जब वो अपने 10,000 शिष्यों के साथ चलते थे तो किसी भी गाँव में या किसी भी जगह पर वो 3 दिन से ज़्यादा नहीं रुकते थे. और आप लोगों को पता होगा कि गौतम बुद्ध हैं, वो एक जगह पर रहते थे, उसी जगह का नाम बना है बिहार. बिहार का मतलब होता है विहार, कहीं पर रहना. सो गौतम बुद्ध वही एक जगह है जहाँ पर बहुत सालों तक रहे या बहुत महीनों तक रहे. एंड व्हेन ही स्टेड ओवर देयर, ही मेड इट वेरी क्लियर दैट इवन इफ़ यू गो टू आस्क फॉर आर्म्स, उनके शिष्यों को वो बोलते थे अगर आप कहीं पर भी जाते हैं भिक्षा मांगने के लिए या खाना मांगने के लिए, 3 दिन के बाद आप किसी भी एक घर में फिर से नहीं जाएंगे. द रीज़न वॉज वेरी सिंपल. This number 3 or the way that we go and treat ourselves, whenever you start keeping a relationship for more than 3 days, आप जब भी किसी इंसान के साथ 3 दिन से ज़्यादा रह लेते हैं, तब आपका उनके साथ रिलेशनशिप बन जाता है. और अगर वो रिलेशनशिप के बाद आगे आप कुछ करते हैं जो 3 दिन के बाद टूट जाता है, तब फॉरगिविंग यानी उस इंसान को माफ़ करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, क्षमा करना बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं, हम कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी को क्षमा करते हैं, बट आपको ढूंढना पड़ेगा कि ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ थी जो आधी अधूरी रह गई है. व्हाट वाज दैट थिंग दैट वाज इनकम्प्लीट. द सेकेंड थिंग इज ऐसा कौन सा काम है विच वॉज अनएक्नॉलेज. द थर्ड थिंग व्हाट वाज द वर्क दैट वाज नॉट अप्रिशिएटेड. ये 3 चीज़ें आप ढूंढ लीजिए. अगर आपको पता चल जाता है ये तीन चीज़ें में से कौन सी चीज़ है, उसके बाद देर इज़ अ हिप्नोटिक प्रोसीजर. आई विल टेल यू व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज द हिप्नोसिस प्रोसीजर एंड प्लीज़ डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट इट टू बी अ मैजिक वॉन्ड. ऐसा मत समझ लेना कि आपने आज कर लिया और आज आप भूल गए. ये उन लोगों के लिए भी नहीं है जो बहुत सारे रिलेशनशिप्स में रह चुके हैं. लाइक यू नो आई कीप गेटिंग मैसेजेस. मुझे हैदराबाद के किसी एक स्टूडेंट ने मैसेज भेजा था कि वो भी इंस्टाग्राम पर ही है. सो शी इज़ अ हॉस्टल स्टूडेंट एंड शी हैड सेंड मी अ मैसेज कि मुझे हर 2 हफ्ते के अंदर एक रिलेशनशिप रखना अच्छा लगता है और मैं किसी भी एक बॉयफ्रेंड को अभी तक फॉरगिव नहीं कर पाई. तो मैंने उनसे पूछा था ये बात कि आप जब दो ही हफ्ते रिलेशनशिप रखते हैं तो वो 2 हफ्ते के रिलेशनशिप में ऐसा क्या हो जाता है कि आप किसी को माफ़ नहीं कर सकते. क्या आप किसी को पैसे देते हैं? डू यू पे दैट पर्सन और आर यू actually tolerating a lot of tantrums from the other person? She said that they just don't care. So please understand, over here it is a personality related issue. अगर आप एक ऐसे इंसान हैं, if you are a kind of a person who is always been complaining, who is not satisfied, who's completely ungrateful in life, in that case it is not going to help you in any way. In that case, if you are an ungrateful person, which 80% of the people nowadays are, okay, and the reason is very simple, people stay on the phone. Whenever you are connected only with a phone or maybe an electronic device, बहुत मुश्किल है कि आप एक इंसान के साथ जुड़ सकेंगे. That's also the second reason. आप सभी लोगों को ये बात समझनी पड़ेगी कि अगर हम अपने बच्चों को सिर्फ ये बताते हैं कि आपको पूरा दिन एक फ़ोन के साथ ही रहना है और फ़ोन के थ्रू लोगों से बात करनी है, whenever you are connected with people only through phone, okay, it could be a long distance relationship, that's not a problem, but when you are connected with many people only through phone, okay, आपको कुछ सवाल आता है, you have a question, you go to Google and you ask answer, you do not even meet a live teacher, आप किसी असली इंसान से मिलते भी नहीं हैं. okay, so if that thing happens, you get more and more away from emotions. At that point of time, forgiveness is also a base emotion, and it is very hard to go and practice base emotion unless and until you are not pushed into it. Now, talking about base emotions, this is the third point. अभी आप लोगों को समझ लेना पड़ेगा, ये मेन चीज़ है यहाँ पर. जब भी आपको किसी को माफ़ करना हो तो ज़रूरी है उस इंसान के साथ वो सारी चीज़ें करना जो आप करना चाहते थे. ओनली देन यू वुड बी एबल टू कंप्लीट दैट सर्कल. समझ लीजिए, मैं फिर से बोल देता हूँ, दिस इज़ ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड. हम लोगों ने बार बार टेस्ट किया एंड यहीं पर इंस्टाग्राम पर या भी लाइव हैं ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग जो लोग जानते हैं कि वी आर हैविंग ग्रुप्स. हमारा एक ग्रुप था और उस ग्रुप में मैंने वी हैड द सेम ग्रुप वॉज again we had we did a recycling of students, which means every 2 months I was having 20 people in that group. एक व्हाट्सएप का ग्रुप हमने बनाया था और उसमें 20 लोगों को मैं हमेशा हर 2 महीने में रखता था. एक चीज़ जो हमने देखी कि जब हमने ये एक्सरसाइज किया था, एक्सरसाइज दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट, जब हम वो करते थे उसके 2 महीने के बाद लोग आकर बोलते थे, सर मेरे दिमाग से वो जो बंदा है या बंदी है पूरी तरह से निकल चुकी है, मैं उस इंसान को भूल गया, मैं उस इंसान को माफ़ कर चुका. क्या किया था वो मैं अभी बता देता हूँ. ओके, शिखा हैज़ ऑल्सो ज्वाइंड इन, दैट्स ग्रेट. सिमरन हैज़ ज्वाइंड इन. नमस्ते सिमरन, कैसे हैं आप? इट्स गुड टू सी शिखा नमस्ते. शिखा मेरे चैम्पियंस ग्रुप से हैं, शिखा, शैली, सिमरन. सो ये सभी चैम्पियन लोग हैं. इनके आने से यहाँ पर 4 चांद लग गए हैं. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोगों का है. दैट्स वाई गाया इज़ नोन एज बुध गाया. यस वंडरफुल. ठीक है, चलिए चलते हैं. आप सभी लोगों को फिर से नमस्ते. तो मैंने अभी 3 चीज़ों की बात की. हैव स्पोकन अबाउट 3 थिंग्स. व्हाई आर यू अनेबल टू फॉरगिव? इज देयर आर 3 रीजंस. 1, यू हैव समथिंग विच इज़ इनकम्प्लीट. 2, मोस्ट ऑफ द रिलेशनशिप्स आर अनएक्नॉलेज्ड. एक रिलेशनशिप के अंदर एक्नॉलेजमेंट होता ही नहीं है. 3rd one इज अप्रिसिएशन. एंड ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज अ 4th पार्ट विच इज़ रिलेटेड टू पर्सनैलिटी. कई लोग हैं जो अनग्रेटफुल होते हैं. देयर आर पीपल हु आर अनग्रेटफुल. उनको अच्छी तरह से किसी को थैंकफुल होना ही नहीं आता. ठीक है, एंड व्हेन पीपल आर अनग्रेटफुल, तब उनके साथ फॉरगिवनेस मुश्किल है. क्योंकि अगर आप सिर्फ ज़िंदगी भर कंप्लेंट ही करते रहेंगे तब आप जिंदा कैसे रहेंगे, राइट? परफेक्ट. Bang on Mr. Habi. Ungratefulness is killing relationships in today's date as people mostly feel spouses are not someone who deserve gratefulness. नमस्ते जी, मेरा नाम मुकेश है. शिखा जी, मेरा नाम मुकेश है. Who deserve gratefulness? Yes, you are perfectly right. Now I'm going to go ahead and talk about a relationship issue that I have seen with a specific couple. सो दोस्तों मैं अपने एक एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बता देता हूँ. द रीज़न आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस एक्सपीरियंस इज सो दैट एवरीवन कैन पिक अप अ फ्यू पॉइंट्स. आप सभी लोगों को पता चल जाएगा कि क्या हो सकता है एक रिलेशनशिप के अंदर, क्या क्या बुरा हो सकता है, क्या ठीक हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो मान लीजिए कि एक कपल थे, वो रिलेशनशिप में थे, लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप है वो, और जो बंदा है, जो हस्बैंड है उनका, वो सिंगापुर में रहता था. जो लड़की है वो मुंबई की है. शी इज़ एड एग्जीक्यूटिव. सो वो एडवर्टाइजिंग की बहुत बड़ी एग्जीक्यूटिव हैं, और वो एक स्पेसिफिक अकाउंट है संभालती हैं, बड़ी कंपनी है उसका अकाउंट संभालती है. एंड ड्यू टू सम रीज़न लास्ट ईयर ड्यूरिंग कोविड, जस्ट बिफोर कोविड हैपेंड, शी गॉट मैरिड एंड शी हैड टू मूव टू सिंगापुर. अब इनका 3 साल का रिलेशनशिप था, दैट वाज अ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप. वो जब सिंगापुर चली गई, उसके विद इन 4 महीने के अंदर उनकी जो तबीयत है वो कंटिन्यूस बिगड़ने लगी. शी स्टार्टेड हैविंग वॉमिटिंग इशूज, शी स्टार्टेड हैविंग एसिडिटी इशूज एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड रिमेंबर वन थिंग, आई कैन टेल यू दिस फॉर श्योर, आई हैव स्पोकन अबाउट दिस थिंग 10 many times. मैंने बहुत बार बोली है ये बात कि एसिडिटी जो है वो थॉट्स से रिलेटेड होती है. थॉट्स भी एसिडिक होते हैं. तो अगर आप कंटिन्यूसली किसी के बारे में गलत सोच रहे हैं तो आपके पेट में एसिडिटी होनी ही है, क्योंकि थॉट्स आर एसिडिक. तो अगर आप ये देखते हैं कि आप किसी रिलेशनशिप में और अचानक से आपको एसिडिटी होने लगी है, तो समझ जाइएगा कि ये रिलेशनशिप के अंदर आपको कुछ चीज़ है जो निकाल देनी पड़ेगी. देयर इज समथिंग विच इज़ अनएक्सप्रेस्ड. एंड व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग विद दिस रिलेशनशिप आफ्टर 7 months, मैंने सितंबर में फिर से उनसे बात की, तो ऑलमोस्ट फरवरी में उनकी शादी हो गई. फरवरी या मार्च में उनकी शादी हो गई. शी वेंट टू सिंगापुर. एंड आफ्टर गोइंग ओवर देयर, सितंबर में उन्होंने मुझे मैसेज किया दैट आई एम ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ ब्रेकिंग अप. जस्ट अ मिनट, जस्ट गिव मी अ मिनट. सोनू प्लीज़ एयरफोन यूज़ करो, मुझे आवाज़ आ रही बाहर. हाँ ठीक है. नो वरीज, कोई बात नहीं, थैंक यू. तो I was talking about this couple and after 7 months, just in 7 months, someone who was inseparable, and I knew both of them, and I knew that the husband was not going wrong anywhere. I knew that the girl was not going wrong anywhere. After 7 months, when I spoke to them, I came to know what was the basic issue. The basic issue was appreciation and acknowledgement. It was not about gratefulness, it was appreciation and acknowledgement. So the girl was doing a lot of things to make ends meet, because due to COVID, the husband had lost his job. And he was always in stress, he was always drinking. At one point of time, she started having thyroid related issues. So the girl started having thyroid related issues. In September, when we did her testing, her TSH just shot up. And the first thing that I asked her was, do you have something to go ahead and regret, or do you have something to express? She said, I have a lot of complaints. I said, okay, no problem, just go ahead and express it to your husband. And I spoke to her husband. I told him that because she's going through a lot of issues, it's necessary for you to take it all off as an expression. The husband was not ready, because by that time, in 6 months or 7 months, even he had a lot of grudge in the relationship कि ये मुझे ऐसे बोलती है, ये complaint करती है. And all of a sudden, I told her that let's go ahead and take it in this way, that you go into a different room, close your eyes, and just go ahead and beat him, hit him, whatever you want to do. She said, I cannot do that. I said, you do it into your head. And we have done it. We also did the hollow heart technique. Everyone knows, everyone who's been with me knows about the hollow heart technique. It is all on YouTube. Everyone who did the hollow heart technique and everyone who's been into a relationship, ऐसे जो लोग हैं जो अपने रिलेशनशिप में बहुत बुरी तरह से पछता चुके हैं, बहुत गुस्सा है उनको, बहुत पीड़ा है रिलेशनशिप, दे हैव बीन इनटू लॉट ऑफ पेन, उन्होंने ये हॉलो हार्ट टेक्निक है, ये सिर्फ 1 हफ्ते की है. जस्ट विद इन 1 week दे वर एबल टू कम आउट ऑफ इट. नाउ मैं इसमें क्या बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, मैं सिर्फ ये बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि हम 2 अलग अलग सेंटर से काम नहीं कर सकते. व्हाट एम आई ट्राइंग टू टेल यू, मैं बता देता हूँ. अगर आपको मीठा खाना हो तो मुझे आपको मीठा ही देना पड़ेगा, ठीक है, तो ही आपका दिल भरेगा. अगर आपको मीठा खाना हो और मैं आपको बोलूँगा नहीं आप आम खा लीजिए जो खट्टा है, यू विल नॉट टेक इट, राइट? नो वन विल टेक इट. रिलेशनशिप में बिल्कुल वैसा ही होता है. अगर आपको मीठा खाना है और आपको कंटिन्यूसली खट्टा ही मिलेगा तो आपका दिल नहीं भरेगा जब तक आपको मीठा ना मिले. तो सिंपल सी बात है. आई विल गो एंड गिव यू अ वेरी सिंपल एक्सप्लेनेशन. व्हेनेवर यू फाइंड दैट इन अ रिलेशनशिप देयर इज समथिंग विच इज इनकम्प्लीट, यू डोंट नीड द अदर पर्सन, जस्ट गो एंड कंप्लीट इट. द सेम थिंग गोज फॉर अप्रिसिएशन एंड एक्नॉलेजमेंट. जब भी आपको ऐसा लगता है कि सामने वाला बंदा है वो एक्नॉलेज नहीं कर रहा है, अप्रिसिएशन नहीं कर रहा, just go ahead and do whatever you want to do in anger, because I know that you would inside you are very angry. तो गुस्से में आइए, अपनी आंखें बंद कीजिए. उस इंसान को अगर आपको झापड़ मारने हैं तो उसको झापड़ मारिए अच्छी तरह से. उसको लात मारनी है, घुसे मारने हैं, घुसे मारिए, ओके, एंड बी आउट ऑफ इट. वंस यू डू इट आपको पता चलेगा ये कितना कैथार्टिक है. ओके, कैथारसिस होना जरूरी है, आपके अंदर का जो गुस्सा है वो निकल जाना चाहिए. वंस यू आर आउट ऑफ इट, यू विल फॉल इन लव विद द सेम पर्सन. I think so. I'm getting disconnected. Okay, no worries, guys. So I have severe issues with internet today. I don't know whether I'll be able to continue it or not. So yes, we were talking about forgiving. Forgiving will be very hard for a person when you are in a relationship. जब आप एक relationship में होते हैं, उस टाइम पे क्षमा करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. वो इसीलिए क्योंकि आपका expectation बढ़ जाता है. आपकी जैसे ही आकांक्षाएं बढ़ेंगी, आपकी जैसे एक्सपेक्टेशन बढ़ती है और उसके अंदर आप एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते. व्हेन यू आर अनेबल टू एक्सप्रेस योर इमोशन, दैट्स वेयर प्रॉब्लम्स हैपन. ओके, सो आई अंडरस्टैंड दिस वेरी वेरी क्लियरली दैट नॉट एक्सप्रेसिंग इटसेल्फ क्रिएट्स अ लॉट ऑफ क्लॉट्स एंड नॉट्स इनसाइड योर बॉडी. उसके बाद अंदर शरीर के अंदर बहुत सारी गांठें ऐसी बनती है जिसकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा पक्के प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकते हैं. नाउ व्हाट आई हैव सीन पर्सनली इज दैट, एंड आई हैव सीन इट अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन. Whenever there is a calamity, whenever there is a trauma in a relationship, a woman, if she keeps a lot of things inside her, and यही बिल्कुल उल्टा देखा है. There are women who have high thyroids, and when they go out for a vacation, जैसे ही वो लोग वेकेशन में जाते हैं, उनका थायराइड धीरे धीरे नॉर्मल होने लग जाता है. उनके कॉन्स्टिपेशन इश्यूज धीरे धीरे क्लियर होने लग जाते हैं. नींद के जो प्रॉब्लम है वो जाने लग जाते हैं, बिकॉज द एक्सपेक्टेशन वॉज विद समवन एल्स. एक्सप्रेशन के अगर आपको एक्सपेक्टेशन है, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड इट. यू कैन नॉट बी एक्सपेक्टिंग द अदर पर्सन टू टेक योर एक्सप्रेशंस. आप ऐसा मत सोचिए कि आप गुस्सा करेंगे सामने वाले आदमी पे और वो लेकर ले लेगा. एवरीवन हैज गॉट हिज ओन प्रॉब्लम्स. एवरीवन, हर आदमी ऐसा नहीं है कि वो भगवान है और वो आपका गुस्सा ले लेगा. आदमी हो या औरत हो, कोई भी हो. द सेम थिंग गोज विद सिस्टर्स, ऑल ऑफ द सिस्टर्स हु आर वाचिंग मी. सेम थिंग गोज विद ऑल ऑफ द ब्रदर्स हु आर वाचिंग मी. प्लीज डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट द अदर पर्सन टू गो एंड टेक ऑल ऑफ योर एक्सप्रेशन. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम एक्सप्रेस नहीं करना चाहते. वी ऑलवेज वॉन्ट टू एक्सप्रेस. द सेम थिंग गोज विद लव ऑल्सो. द रिलेशनशिप दैट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, जो सिंगापुर का रिलेशनशिप है, it was at a point of the time, there was a point of time where the girl started telling me it has been months, 2 or 3 months. Previously he used to say I love you every single day when we were having a long distance relationship. After we got married, he has not said I love you even once. I spoke with the man, her husband. I told him that is there a problem of expression? Is there an issue in the relationship that you have not even said I love you even once? He said that when she was far away, it was perfectly fine because she was far away and she used to ask me to say. She has not told me. She has not even asked me to say I love you even once. And I said, is it so childish? Just go ahead and say I love you to her. He said, yes, I can go ahead and tell her. What's the big problem? He went over there and he actually took my name. आपने मुकेश को बोला है क्या कि मैं आपको I love you बोलूँ करके? And the whole thing went into a completely different dimension. So please understand one thing. Have clarity in a relationship. Clarity will come only with expression. It cannot come any other way. And please understand, if you are trying to evade a small quarrel, प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड दिस. आप छोटे छोटे झगड़ों को अगर संभालने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि छोटा झगड़ा होगा, एक दिन बहुत बड़ा झगड़ा होगा. यू आर एक्चुअली क्रिएटिंग अ बिग न्यूसेंस इन योर लाइफ इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू इवेट स्मॉलर quarrels. Let there be smaller quarrels. Go ahead and have a confrontation if it is related to expression. If it is related to acknowledgement and appreciation, just go ahead and do your job. Don't wait for any other person. Please remember that. Don't wait for the other person. And once you start doing whatever I am saying, expression will always come in the form of negativity. क्योंकि positivity हो नहीं सकती. अगर आप forgive नहीं कर सकते, इसका मतलब you cannot flow. When people cannot flow, they will also have constipation. Forgiveness is also related to any problems related to your gut. Please understand this. जब forgiveness आप नहीं कर पाते, when you are unable to forgive a specific person, in that case if you are living with that person, then it's hell for you, because every single day that whole animosity will be there in non-verbal communication. So a woman, when he or she sleeps with that man, she will certainly go and put that up non-verbally, that you are someone who would I never want to be. Okay, right from the time of dining to eating to talking, a woman might not say anything, but she will go and convey it non-verbally. And when something is conveyed non-verbally, women especially are very good with creating that energy around them. Okay, so in order to go and save yourself, because it will be all upon you, you will have issues. You will have gut related issues, you will have sleep related issues, you will have complaints, you will have a lot of irritation, you will have mood swings, and there are chances that you also might go infertile. When women cannot forgive, the first thing that I have seen is within the next 1 or 2 years, they start getting infertile, because it is very hard for them to flow. Fertility, flowing, surrender, acceptance and forgiving, these are high frequency emotions, and you have to understand, for getting to high frequency emotions you have to get off from low frequency emotions, okay? And that also involves ungratefulness. 8 out of 10 relationships today are going off just because of ungratefulness. People do not even say thank you. Thankfulness is now going off. People do not even acknowledge a message. You will find so many people, when you send them a message, they will see the blue ticks and they will not reply to you. If they are able to do it with anyone, and if they feel that मैं इसके साथ नहीं करूँ, I'm not doing it with this person, I'm doing with someone else, please get it right. If you are ignoring one message, 100% you are ignoring 10 other messages, because your mind works that way. Your mind works that way. So either do not go ahead and open up a message, unless if you see a blue tick, go ahead and reply to that message. This is for every woman, every man who is watching the show and thinking that, okay, fine, if I get a message and if I see that it is not important for me, I leave it that way. Understand it, you're not just ruining your relationship with any other person, you are ruining your internal relationship. So if you have the time to open up a message and see it and send a blue tick that you have seen it, you better well reply it. Unless and until you are at a criticality. I see too many women nowadays getting into this habit. They ask you something, they take that thing, and after taking it, they would not even update you once, because unka kaam ho gaya. So selfishness and non-forgiving come hand in hand. Too much of questioning and non-forgiving, they also come in hand in hand, because women get very confused. When they get confused, they do not even know whether I should be forgiving, whether I should be accepting, whether I should be going in a flow. The best way around it is very, very simple. Very simple. Start acknowledging that you have to do something. Start appreciating things that you have done. Start appreciating things that you have done. Affirmations will go and help you hand in hand about that. Start affirming every single day. Start having a little bit of gratitude. And gratitude is also one thing which is very hard to understand. Too many people, they think that sending an emoji of हाथ जोड़ के ये जो रहता है लोग भेज देते हैं, but then they don't understand. जब करने की बारी आती है, efforts लेने की बारी आती है, people go and go back. Too many times I have seen it that वो हाथ में हाथ जोड़ के बोल दिया हाँ thankful हो गए. That is just one part of the gratitude. That is all over there on social media or on a specific page, electronic page. Gratitude also means doing something for people, okay? Talking about it. And I will go ahead and end this session after going ahead and giving you one single example. Currently I'm working with someone. मैं किसी के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ, वो बम्बई में रहते हैं, पैसा बहुत है उनके पास, and she is unmarried. She is a single woman and she's got a lot of money, but she wants a husband who is from, वो बाहर के देश के होने चाहिए. And when we started doing all of our sessions, मैंने जब उनके session करना शुरू किया, I came to know that she had too much of complaints. She had a complaint for one of her relationships, and that relationship lasted for a few years, and it broke because of her tantrums, not because of the other person. And she was ready to address it. After 6 months of talking with her, she was ready to address the fact that she had issues. In 2 months, and after doing a lot of healings were done by my wife, and after doing a lot of healings, she started coming to a fact that she started agreeing that she was ungrateful. Fine, we were one step further. At one point of time, she started loving someone. तो वो किसी USA के बंदे हैं, उससे प्यार करने लगी. And she started saying that he doesn't even acknowledge my message. And I asked her the same thing. I sent her screenshots. I told her, do you acknowledge message of anyone? She said, yes sir, I do that. I said, I can go and send you a lot of messages, and I can show you that you were online, you were able to see the messages, and you still did not reply. She said, I never felt that it was important. I said, you have to feel it is important, otherwise don't come online. And then I started asking her, can you please tell me, have there been any kind of sequences of messages where he has seen your messages and you have also seen his messages and you have not replied? She said, yes, there have been dozens of moments throughout the day when he sent a message and I start taking a revenge on him. People who are always in the revengeful mode, they can certainly not forgive. In a relationship, you cannot be so shallow, you cannot be so small कि चलो revenge ले लेते हैं. It cannot be possible. Okay, please understand this, that if you're going to come online, if you're going to be in a relationship, do the smallest things possible. Don't go for bigger things कि हाँ वैलेंटाइन डे आएगा तब हम लोग सोशल मीडिया पे डालेंगे हमारा प्यार इतना गहरा है, ये है वो है. नहीं, रोज करना है. Start doing it every single day, right? Okay. I say thank you even when you drink my share of tea. You don't even drink the tea. You keep it cold. I don't ask. I just say, try this. When he does not say, okay, let me see what exactly is the joke over here. Something has happened, right? No Wi-Fi. Yes, we don't have any Wi-Fi. Your video got paused. Uday has joined in. Uday, namaste. When hubby shouts cause you wrong, do you argue back to him or you keep shut? Because I hate it when he shouts instead of saying it calmly. Okay, you need to confront it. Directly tell him that you should not be talking to me like this. Just go ahead and tell him, don't talk to me like this. Okay? Don't shout, because, and there is another way, and it's a very simple way. I have always been saying that. Go ahead and address people directly. If someone is shouting on you, you also shout that on that person. Okay? That's one of the best way. That is how adults go ahead and treat each other. Okay. This is for Twinkle. Twinkle, if someone is shouting on you, just go ahead and shout out to him, even more loudly, so that that person gets into a questionable mood. Arey, ye kya ho gaya karke. That's the best way possible. And I say this to everyone. It will happen once, it will happen twice. It will never happen the third time. Because by the third time, a person is already ready. Usko pata hota hai kya karna hai. Then he will try something else, which means he might go ahead and say something, he might go ahead and do something else. A man will do things only till the point of time that he is not confronted. Once you start confronting him very clearly, it will not happen. Trust me, it is not going to happen. Just go ahead and shout back to him. Confront him. And there is no reason that you should not be shouting back on him. There is no reason. This I love you thing, yes. I agree. I ask Ashok when he does not. Yes, you have to. When he does not say, I don't ask, I just say, try this. I say thank you even when you drink my share of tea. You are actually not even drinking that tea. You have kept, she keeps the tea very cold, and because no one is drinking the tea, so I drink the tea because I'm tea ka bhuka. Poonam has joined in. Champions are joining. Arey, seriously. Bash BSR. I want to share my recent experience. Please do. Please do. आपके लिए एनी टाइम रेडी हैं हम लोग. True. Please go ahead. Okay, Shelly wants to share her experience. Please बताइए. मैं तो एनी टाइम रेडी रहता हूँ. Shelly is just the way that I say, there are a few foods which are a powerhouse of nutrition. There is a person who is a powerhouse of a woman. She's got so many experiences to say, and as I always say, there are people whom you learn from, and yes, jhoot, what jhoot? Same sir, be like snake. If someone shows stick, just stand tall and show your tongue. Yes, you have to do that. Ha. Yes, guys, it is not just me who is saying this. There is a complete book on it. Eric Berne ki ek philosophy. This is all psychology that I'm talking about, okay? And I have tried it with dozens of people. बहुत सारे लोगों को. Even when I used to go live, when I say live, when I was physically present with people, and when I was doing corporate events, I used to do it. There would be two departments. So you consider it as that I'm talking with two different departments, HR department and PR department, public relations and HR department, and everyone has got they are full of animosity. They would say, ये लोग हमारी सैलरी नहीं देते. The other one would say, तुम लोग काम नहीं ठीक से करते. And I would say, okay, just go and confront each other. Do it right now, okay? And then there would be a point of time that we would start doing things like, okay, fine, you have to now keep quiet, just go ahead and listen. Just listen for a minute, you will get your time. And when people started listening, they came to know that there was a pause in between. And later on, पहले चिल्लाने की पूरी आज़ादी दे दी गई. I told them, just go ahead and shout. Both the parties can shout, just don't go ahead and hit each other. Shout as much as you want. And they had their manager sitting right next to me. I would say, okay, fine, you don't have to say anything, you just keep quiet. Look over here and there, look at the trees, but don't go ahead and interrupt between people. Let them, we have to make people very childish when they want to fight. Children, when they fight, they forget everything because they have expressed everything. सारा सब कुछ हो गया, सब निकाल दिया बाहर. All of that kachra is out, and they are fine again. They can once again play with each other. The same thing goes with animals. Animals fight with each other, and then you'll find them playing because they are able to express it out. Okay, forgiveness comes with expression, and you don't have to wait for the other person. Just express it wherever you are. जहाँ पर भी हो उधर express कर दीजिए. Okay, even if you are alone in a room, just go and close your eyes. You don't have to shout, and you can go and keep your mouth shut, and then you can shout inside, and you can hit that person. Okay, hit that person, make him brown and blue. Okay, if you want, you can even stab that person, stab him 3 or 4 times, and then you come out as James Bond, right? Come out like a Superwoman or Superman. Okay, please express. Forgiveness is all about expression. It's not about being a cow in the house, right? ऐसा नहीं है कि आप मैं तुलसी तेरी आंगन की बन जाएंगे. That's not how you can forgive, because आप मैं तुलसी तेरे आंगन की बनेंगे तो आप फिर चुपचाप ही रहेंगे जिंदगी भर. अंदर तो सब कुछ होएगा, अंदर सारे सांप सब कुछ रेंग रहे हैं, सांप शेर सब कुछ है, जिंदा है, और बाहर आप अगर गाय बन के रहेंगे, that's not going to go and help you, right? Never wanted to, yes, this is never wanted to accept my new ideas. Some, if were doing groupism and didn't give me entry for observation, being 30 years old teacher, the HM sent message twice. Yes, this is a very good lesson that we all know. Yes, at my workplace, being new, the teachers are ready to exit as they are introduced their comfort zone. Okay, my workplace being new, the teachers are ready to accept as they are introduced their comfort zone. Never wanted to accept my new ideas. Some, if were doing groupism and didn't give me entry for observation, being 30 years old teacher, the HM sent message twice. Okay, adopt one for better knowledge. If you want, I can help you get one. Those who forgive are the most peaceful and stressful people, stressless people. Yes, one of them is sitting right over you, right before you. So guys, I will tell you about my philosophy. I just go ahead and forget things. I don't keep anyone in head. अगर मेरा किसी से झगड़ा हुआ है, ठीक है भैया, आपको जो बोलना है बोल दो मेरे को. It is not that I would not go ahead and confront that person. If that person is being too loud, I will go ahead and give him double or triple of that what that person deserves. But then I would not go ahead and keep that person in my head. And I can give you too many examples. Last year itself, I did a complete group of 21 day weight loss group, and there was a guy called Iqtidar Ali Khan. He had severe issues, and he came to me for severe heart related problem. Now he was into a lot of hurry, and because he did not go ahead and keep any kind of commitments, he committed that he would keep up with his food, committed that he would keep up with his medicines and everything. He did not do anything. Later on, he started sending me very abusive messages, and I did not keep him inside my head. People can become very thankless, till the point of time that this guy wanted to do weight loss. He did his weight loss, and after doing his weight loss, he became abusive. That is being selfish in a relationship, right? So yes, I did not keep him in my head. He still abuses me, and I said, okay, fine, I would go ahead and keep him aside, because he is not even important for me to keep it in my head. The same thing happens so many times on social media, that I have something to express, I express it. It could be related to dairy, it could be related to animal eating. I go ahead and express it because I know what is healthier. So if I know that my opinion is fine, I express it. I come back, whatever people say, it is all about them, and I don't get into that head that I don't even think about people. Forget forgiving तो तब होगा जब when I have a problem that it is incomplete, someone did not acknowledge, someone did not appreciate. If that's not something that I have inside, it's all done. And fortunately as of now, I still feel that so many years down the line, I still do not have any enemies. I have zero enemies as far as I know. So I have no animosity against anyone. You just have to go and go to bed, sleep well, okay, wake up and not think about anyone. If someone comes ahead and beheads to you, आपके सामने आ जाता है, then you can go ahead and take a reaction for it, or maybe a response. Otherwise, don't keep anyone in your head. You told her to stop and started talking one-to-one in a very mild and friendly tone, and now gradually gaining confidence. That's good. Okay, I stopped taking stress, rather started handling them differently. I remember one incident जहाँ पर आपने मुझे बोला, this is about Shelly. Shelly had mentioned about a specific incident where someone had come into her office and she started saying, and she said she went ahead and asked that person a question, and she was not able to answer that question. The whole tangent could have gone into a completely different spiral, but she handled it so nicely that everything went and changed everything, right? Yes, my wife, you can hit me with the mango seed. Thank you for this session, and thank you so much for the affirmation you sent. It's working like magic. You and Zinnia sent in my life. God sent. You guys are great. Now things are turning positive. That's great. Very nice. Stay blessed. Some text errors, teachers were not ready to accept change. मैं सब समझ गया. Thanks a lot for sharing the experience. This is for everyone. Please understand it. Go ahead and watch the video once again if you want. Watch it twice once again and you will get all of the things which are necessary. Forgiving is the first step in a relationship. If you cannot forgive, you cannot maintain a relationship. It's necessary. One person whom we know who has always been forgiving are our mothers, right? Mothers forgive everyone. Mothers have forgiven their fathers, our fathers. Okay, mothers have forgiven everyone, right? So you need to have that kind of a heart. Nowadays it is very hard to go and find the heart of mothers. Nowadays people want to get even because everyone else is earning. Everyone thinks that we are someone and they are at a higher pedestal where they start bargaining in a relationship. Because you shouted on me, I have to shout. You did not say I love you, I will also not say I love you. And then the whole point of gratefulness is just lost in water. Okay? You cannot do that. And it does not mean that you're going down. It doesn't mean that you're taking a lower step. Understand this. Being loving, being more kind, being compassionate does not mean that you're getting weak. In fact, you're getting more stronger. And it does not mean that you start taking shit from other people. If someone is shouting on you, give him back. Just go ahead and give him back. And that doesn't mean that you should not shout. Okay, that's because you are taken a stance. So take a stance, go ahead and shout on the other person if that person deserves it. I really wonder why husbands commit only silly mistake despite being as matured or maybe more than wife. That wife has to shout, that spoils the aura of home. Sometimes one has to take that step. Many a times what happens is, and this is what I have seen, that grown up children, they start taking all of the cues from their father. So I have seen that in a house, when I'm talking to a complete family, and if I see that the boy is good, you see that a man, the boy who's graduated to becoming a man, the boy is almost 23, 24, almost at the verge of marrying someone, and you see that the boy is inculcating everything that is seen from his father. At that point of time, I would always say that the mother had to take a step much before. She can always take the step now. She can always take the step now that she goes in and shouts at her spouse. My mom used to do this. When my mom couldn't take it, she started shouting on my father. One day, when we are grown up, I told my father, you don't talk to my mother like this. My father was equally the same kind of a person. He used to talk very loudly. He used to shout on everyone. He would insult my mom anywhere. One fine day, my mom said, no, this is enough. I cannot take it. It is not because we were grown up. She just felt that, it was not going anywhere with her self-esteem, and she shouted on my father. Once, twice, it never happened thrice. And I have seen that, when it happens in any relationship, you might, there are chances that there are different type of men anywhere in the world, okay? And you might get into a place where it is physically threatening. So a person might go ahead and slap you, but then it might happen once or twice. And just in case, a person is so physically abusive, it's better that, you don't be in that relationship, or just go ahead and threaten that person with some kind of consequences. This also has happened, and I've told people, just go ahead and report to the police, because such men need to be reported. Men should be fearful. Men fear law. When they drive a car, they fear the law. They would not go ahead and skip a red signal just like that, right? But when it comes to their house, they start treating their wife just like anything, and that creates a lot of issues. So women also need to go ahead and take their stance, so that the children don't go ahead and inculcate the values that their fathers are giving. ऐसा ना हो कि जो बेटा है वो अपने पिता से सीखे कि हाँ चिल्लाना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. That should not be happening, right? फिर forgiveness नहीं आएगी. Affirmations are really game changers. To improve relationship, affirmations might be really great to start. Thank you. I have really improved my relationship with affirmations of Naiman sir. Thank you. Improved. Nowadays mothers don't forgive even a mosquito. Forget about forgiving their husband. Okay, thank you. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया guys. I will see you guys in the next session. I hope this was a good session for you. Okay, in case there are any questions that you might need to connect on personally, please go ahead and connect with me directly. कभी भी आप बात कर सकते हैं. Send me a direct message just in case there is something. Thanks a lot to all of you wonderful people who shared their experiences. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोगों को जिन्होंने अपने अपने experiences share किए हैं. And I never wanted to go and point it out to anyone. This was about a few specific people not present in the session itself. So all of you wonderful people, thanks a lot. If you have really liked the session, just go ahead and hit the like button. If you wish, you can go ahead and share it or comment on it once the video is published. And this is for Sunaina, if you happen to watch it again, I will put it up on YouTube just for you. Okay, I will certainly put it up. Thank you guys, take care, bye bye.